Can't make it to the dealership for your service needs? Introducing Pickup and Delivery. Give us a call to let us know how we can help and to schedule your appointment. We will send one of our skilled service technicians direct to you. We'll take your vehicle right on down to Ford Country and take care of your request as quickly as possible. Once we're finished, we'll bring your vehicle right back to you. Problem solved. Ford Country's pickup and delivery service. Now available free of charge for a limited time. Contact us for more information.